Good night, teacher. My name is Elias Rojas. I will make the presentation of the town square of Funza. This is the main part of the municipality of Funza, which is located in the center of it being very deserted by the Guapucheros, as they are called, the local people both in the municipality by visitors from other region of the department. It's very interesting thing. It has a sculpture related to its history and its decoration is very related to it. It is a very commercial area because there are many banks, many restaurants, agriculture, store, and it is main attraction. It is Paris Santiago Apostol. With its visitor, it is with is deserted by many people from the department and the municipality. I invite you to visit this, this main park, which is very nice, with humble, friendly, educator, always willing to give as mean to hold visitor. They are cordially invited to hold down and the whole plaza, which is very beautiful.